दाओसमधील जागतिक आर्थिक परिषदेमध्ये मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्र फडणवीसांनी क्रॉसवेल इंटरनॅशनल यूकेचे सीईओ पॉल डायसन यांच्याशी चर्चा केलेली आहे. क्रॉसवेलच्या सीईओशी मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी चर्चा केली. पॉल डायसन यांच्याशी त्यांनी संवाद साधलेला आहे.
So we're bringing experts and some international benchmarking to support the operation and maintenance of the future system. We've made a lot of noise with our Prime Minister and his office around supporting us, supporting you. The next step of this is to make sure that our PM knows and there may be a joint opportunity again for the two to move. Great. We've been very highly supportive from your team. Dr. McGee, and it's been a fantastic year, but we've got a long way to go. So hopefully, but I might need your help.
I'm absolutely my pleasure to do something.